What it do, YouTube? Man, small update. I think I'm gonna take that battery back to Walmart and get it checked out. And see is it dead. I'm gonna take the one out this and then in the trunk. I'm gonna do that Sunday, I'm gonna drop it out that Monday morning. Do it that Monday afternoon. See if they good or bad, both on. If they is, I'm gonna change it back out. But this is a small update. Shout out to Knukoncepts for this battery turner. I got all my wires tucked up in there nice and neat, so you ain't looking all messy. And you really can't tell I got. I ain't going over here. All shiny and chrome. It's supposed to be 0 gauge and 4 gauge, I think. And for another wire, you can wire on it to that. There's a bolt right here that tighten it up. I needed a new one, come on, moving. That one was right, the battery said for me. So I'm gonna take it off, get everything tightened up. I put that back in, and also I upgraded my fuse to my amp to a 500 amp. I had a 150 in there, but I think bigger is better. If I blow that motherfucker, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I blow the 150, so got that in there. I'm upgrading on the negative side too. I just did something for right now. Look at it. I'm ordering that job tonight. I ordered part just see what it gonna do. I'm ordering negative, cut down time in, and I'm gonna run my negative wire around. I'm gonna have one negative going to the chassis of the car, the frame, and the other negative going to the motor. And a little small one just right there for just extra rhythm. So everything that's up here needs some ground. So to everything YouTube. Like, subscribe, comment. I just had running, but my battery died. I cut it out and tried to cut back on the battery died. I got a lot more stuff I ordered. It's on the way. A lot more video for y'all. I'm gonna try to upgrade my videos a little more, do them a little more better than what I'm doing now. Talk a little more clear, do a little more stuff. Make it look good. But I think the only thing is the batteries. Cause the car don't drive. I don't drive the car like that, but and plus the battery terminals, y'all see that? They look tight, but the motherfuckers ain't no good. So I'm gonna order the niggas one tonight. It was shout out to Knukoncepts, man. It was $14, I think, for this chrome battery terminal. These don't look good, man. $14, man. They're kind of expensive, but what I'm looking at, what y'all looking at, it's worth it. And you see no screw, long screw shit though. Let's go. Get right, KG. And that screw. Like, subscribe, comment.